Hello, you're looking at the left-hand side of my freshly washed Toyota 2020 RAV4. And here on the that cover for the petrol tank is a black mark that appeared after a recent trip to a car park. So today I'm going to show you how to remove that mark using just ordinary car liquid polishing wax. So give that wax a good shake before you use it. And don't forget to read all the instructions on the back of the bottle to make sure you follow those instructions to the letter. And then just get a soft cloth and pour on a little bit of the polishing wax. That's probably too much. And then just apply that wax in a circular motion to the black mark that I want to remove. And you can see there that the black mark is removed quite quickly and quite easily. So now just get a dry bit of that same cloth and just wipe that over all the white paint there, just to remove any of the remaining wax from the white paint. Okay, so there we go. The black mark has been removed. That's only taken probably less than a minute, I suppose. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.